Sometimes when you've done repeated measurements at one site, for example of ammonium in micromolar units, and then you wish to compare it against a standard, a water quality standard or criteria, then you can use the one sample t-test that is available in PAST. So what we do is we select the data here, go to univariate one sample test, okay, then you have the given mean will be the criteria or the standard or the water quality standard criteria for ammonium, for example, maybe about 5 micromolar as an example, and then you can compute, and then this will tell you that the student's t-test is 15.255, and the p is less than 0.001. That means the means are significantly different, which means what you have measured at that site is significantly different from the criteria that you have set it against. Okay, so that's how you can use the one sample t-test. Equinox is the non-parametric version of t-test, so you use this when your data is not normal. There's no normal distribution in your data.